Do you know that efficient air conditioner filters require frequent maintenance? If your air conditioner is the efficient type, you should make frequent checkup, clean or replace it for optimum performance. Your air conditioner filter will have a lot of jobs to do if you have a filthy indoor air. If your air conditioner is fitted with a quality filter, but you fail to keep it clean, you may still get the coolness or heat, but your indoor air hygiene will be next to nothing, and thus expose you and your family to airborne health risks. If on the other hand your air conditioning equipment is fitted with economy panel filters from your local hardware store, because they come cheap, you are not doing yourself, your family or your air conditioning equipment any good. An air filter that does not do the job is worse than no air filter at all. Do you know that the economy panel filters are so useless you could leave one in your air conditioner for a year and it would not gather sufficient dust to necessitate cleaning or changing? The worst of what these good-for-nothing filters will do, instead of cleaning your indoor air, is make dirty the evaporator coil. You will have to clean the evaporator regularly to remove the dirt that should have been stopped by the filter. Friend, you can see that the only way to get your air filter to do the three functions of cleaning, cooling and heating is to ensure that it is installed with the best air filter for the mutual good of you and your air conditioner. Recommended, choosing an air conditioner filter for durable air filter selection tips. Article source, https://ezinearticles.com/expert/ndoku_anessa/37348